here I've taken the plates off to give a demonstration of the sort of exercises I'll be doing. Obviously tomorrow, which will be my first session with this bit of kit. Obviously we'll go into the bench press. What I've noticed is I've got to sit further back and get everything in line so I don't over rotate. There's ways it can just be the conventional bench press. Bring the bar down to about the nipple line, which feels quite good. You can do underhand, which actually brings your elbows into the body. You can do the same but with the grip like this. That's one variation we can do. Obviously what I do like about this is it's got bench tops, so you can set these and it'll always be safe, so you feel that you've always got something to rest on. Whereas obviously with the free bar, working on your own, no spotter, you're limited to pushing for your max. So this is the idea behind this. It means I can just concentrate on exercising the muscle, hitting it hard, and if I do go to failure, I've got something to catch the weight. Again, we'll see where we need to sit in relation to the bar. This time I want to be slightly higher up to hit the top of the chest. Obviously, again, you don't want that forward rotation as you come down, so you've got to seat yourself correctly. You also don't want to bang your head. So am I seated right? I've got that motion straight up and down. Yeah, that feels pretty good. Maybe if I move a little bit more forward, we'll be hitting up here. That feels better. Okay, we can do inclines, flat, slight decline. I generally do a slight decline bench press. Feels quite good. Good strict range of motion. Also we're set up for a shoulder press. Okay, that feels quite good. I know there's no weight on, but it feels like a good strict exercise. Feels quite good, really. Again, the beauty of this is you've got these stops. Which will be handy for squats. We'll get into them in a bit. Oh, let's try them out. Let's go right at the bottom of the range. in there? Would you put them here? I don't know. Yeah, that works. By the way, the bar weighs 12 kilos. So, shoulder press behind the neck looks quite good. What else will we do? So, done them. To one side. And it's not quite big enough to do pull-ups, so I'll probably still have to use the bar. And then we have some squats. Yeah, we'll see how they go. Okay, we'll do squats. We can also do some back with some bend over rows. Let's closer in. From bend over rows, we can then maybe go into some sort of deads for hams, glutes. Again, cross in. We could also maybe do some upright rows, maybe some shrugs. We're also going to try something new for triceps using this machine, so let's give it a go. Maybe about here. I think they'll be quite good. So roll on tomorrow and we'll give it a go.